Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we are going to be unboxing a portable Bluetooth wireless speaker. In front of us we have the top surface where you can see the speaker itself with some of the features mentioned on the bottom. On the other side you have a little indication of what color the model is going to be. In our case this seems to be black or super dark. The back side has more or less the same amount of specifications in a different arrangement. Then you have the last side, which has the compatibility matrix of all the devices or form factors that are compatible with this particular device. In this case, it's Bluetooth, so you should have free reign across a wide gamut of media playing devices. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. You have the speaker within plastic wrap, and on the inside there is a charging cable. You keep the box on the side. The charging cable is MicroUSB to USB type A, and it's about 30 centimeters long, which is quite sufficient. Then you have the speaker itself, and as we saw previously, it is black in color, and it's got a nice textured cloth wrapping that goes all around. The base is foam with a little bit of rubber backing, and the top surface has a little wedge and all the controls. There's also a little lanyard loop for you to sort of hang the speaker around. And the controls seem to be volume up and down, play pause, mute, and then a power button. And aside from the controls, there's even a hidden panel which can be accessed by opening up the rubber loop. And there you see the micro USB port for charging the device, a micro SD card slot, USB type A slot, and a 3.5 mm jack. So that's it for the unboxing of the portable wireless speaker. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of audio products in the future, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.